Hey folks, it's Paul once again, your direct mail specialist over here in New Jersey. And let me tell you right now, you want to stay to the end of this video because I got some more mail today for the Crazy Cash Flyer. The Crazy Cash Flyer, folks. It works if you work it. Come on board. I get a lot of you calling me who are watching the videos. Listen. You can watch my videos. You can binge watching other videos. Take action. Take action. There's two people in the world. Those who watch on the sidelines and those who are out there playing football. Come on, man. Get in the game. Get in the game. It works. You got a home-based business for 2023. It's the easiest business. Those of you who are struggling online, come offline, take a vacation, try it, you'll like it. You can't just eat one, like Wise potato chips. You'll get your first commission, your next 450, 450, 450, 450, and you'll be convinced. For every 100 of these, at least 2 or 3 are converting. Come on, what's better than that? Okay, let me get my cheaters on, and let's see what we got in the mail today. More mail. Hey, listen, you're going to get what you call reverse mail. Let me block the one who's sending it. But you're going to get people are going to send you reverse marketing. Let's open this up. See what this is. Okay, earn free stamps. All right, I'll look at that. Earn free stamps. Folks, be careful online. Be careful online with stamps. Never more in the history of the world. 2023 Scam City. 2023 Scam City. Selling fake stamps. And here's the law. You buy those stamps and you use those stamps, it's a federal offense. Folks, I'm telling you like it is. It's just like if you go in the inner city to the hood and you buy a microwave, I don't know, for $5, and it's a beautiful $500 microwave. $5, yeah, I'll buy it. You walk around the corner, detective, stolen property, you got a receipt for that? Come on, folks. 2023 is here. They're selling stamps. Yeah, you can buy 50 stamps for, you can buy 1,000 stamps for $50. Come on, folks. 1,000 stamps for $50? I don't, forever stamps. I don't think so. Go online and look for yourself. Okay, let's open up the next piece of mail. This is the mail I like, folks. The mail that has all the tape across the back. Because you know if the tape is across the back, let me block the person here. Look, you put my name. I like when they write like that. I love when they write like that. All big and like, you know, like they did in 5th grade. I love that. Okay, let's open it up. I got Bella here. My Bella. Let me give her a kiss. Let's see what we got, Bella. Let's see what we got here. You don't want to, got to watch with these. Definitely don't want to cut the money order that might be in here, or any kind of cash, especially. So this person sent back, well, look at that. There it is, folks. There it is. $450, folks. $450. Folks, are you convinced yet? It works if you work it. I just opened up a piece of mail in front of you, all taped up with the knife. There's no scam here, folks. $450. Come on, man. Are you ready to jump aboard? Listen, go in the information. You can Cash App me, and I want to help you. It's 2023. I got people calling me up. Paul, I can't afford $450. It's okay. You got the right guy. I'm a man of God. Listen, sometimes they say it's not what you know, it's who you know, right? Pick up the phone. Give me a call. I answer my phone, folks. I just had a girl from Virginia call me. Over there in Virginia. Yep, there's her text. Debbie from Virginia. Thanks for getting in touch with me, Deb. I gotcha. She said she has a mailing list that's not working. Folks, you got to tweak this. You need the right mailing list. You got to get your stamps. You need flyers printed up. Printfounders.com. Printfounders.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Vista Print is another good one. Printfounders.com. The support's not good, but you know what? You'll get some nice laminated, not paper, but nice laminated. These are beautiful. And he cut out my... Oh, by the way, I wanted to tell you this before we go. When you get these printed, you see right here, Paul Barletta, 4C, Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. Put your phone number on the bottom, 862-658-2086. Being that people are very skeptical today, your life wants to be an open book. We're not hiding anything. You put your number there, say, wow, this person, I can call him. Folks, let people give you a call. Get on the phone with them. Show them you're a real person. They all, as soon as they get on the phone, Paul, you making any money? You making any money? Well, come on, just watch my videos. We're making money in this. You think I'm spending all this time making videos if I'm not making money? Come on, folks. It works if you're working. Crazy Cash Flyer. God bless. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. Shalom.